The 2025 Honda Fury Chopper, radical custom styling, Honda reliability. Speed riders, today we're diving into one of the most radical production motorcycles ever built, the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper. This isn't some custom garage build, it's a factory-made chopper that combines outrageous style with legendary Honda reliability. Get ready for the wildest ride in Honda's lineup, only on Speed Riders. Radical design, factory custom excellence. The 2025 Fury continues to redefine what a production motorcycle can look like. Extended fork rake, 38 degrees of radical fork angle for that authentic chopper stance. Massistic rear tire, 200mm of pure rubber dominance on the road. Minimalist bodywork, bare bones design showcasing the mechanical components. Signature tank, teardrop fuel tank with integrated speedometer. Chrome everywhere, extensive chrome coverage from front to back. Heart of the beast, the 1,312 cubic centimeters V-twin. Powering this radical machine is Honda's proven power plant, 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin 52-degree SOHC engine with 3-valve technology. Healthy power output, 62 horsepower and 75 lb-ft of torque. Programmed fuel injection, perfect fueling at any speed or altitude. V-twin character, that classic potato idle that defines cruiser character. Shaft final drive, minimal maintenance with smooth power delivery. Chassis innovation, radical geometry. The Fury's chassis is its most remarkable feature. Double cradle steel frame specifically designed for extreme geometry. Extended wheelbase, 71.2 inches of stretched out styling. Low seat height, just 26.7 inches for easy reach to the ground. Braking system, single disc front and rear with ABS. Lightweight construction, 663 pounds, ready to ride. Technology and features. Modern chopper. The Fury blends classic chopper style with modern features. Digital instrumentation, LCD display integrated into the fuel tank. Security system, HISS. Immobilizer system, lighting, LED tail light with classic incandescent upfront. Cruise control, electronic speed maintenance for highway comfort. Basic electronics, simple and reliable without unnecessary complexity. Riding experience, chopper reality. The Fury delivers a unique riding experience. Laid-back position, extreme feet-forward controls and pulled-back bars. Straight-line stability, rock solid on highways thanks to long wheelbase. Limited lean angle, this is a straight-line machine, not a canyon carver. Surprising comfort, well-damped suspension despite radical looks. Head-turning presence guaranteed to draw attention everywhere. Customization potential, personal expression. The Fury serves as an excellent customization platform. Aftermarket support, extensive parts available for further personalization. Simple mechanics, easy to work on and modify. Popular platform, strong owner community sharing ideas and modifications. Honda accessories, genuine parts available from Honda. Blank canvas, perfect base for creating your ultimate chopper. The Speed Riders verdict, factory boldness. The 2025 Honda Fury represents something rare in motorcycling. Unique proposition, the only production chopper from a major manufacturer. Honda reliability, radical style without custom bike reliability concerns. Daily usability, surprisingly practical for a bike with such extreme geometry. Value proposition, much more affordable than a custom-built chopper. Conversation starter, guaranteed to be the center of attention anywhere. This motorcycle proves that sometimes you can have the wildest custom style without sacrificing daily reliability or breaking the bank. Outro. Speed Riders, could the Honda Fury be your perfect factory custom, or do you prefer more conventional motorcycle designs? Hit that like button if you appreciate radical design, and subscribe to Speed Riders for the most diverse motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments, would you ride a production chopper, or do you prefer building custom? Keep the passion for two wheels alive, and we'll see you on the next episode.